Welcome back. Getting you more industry reactions to the first tranche of the 20 lakh crore economic stimulus and revival package that has been announced by the government today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman focusing on the MSMEs today. I've got Sunil Subramaniam, MD and CEO of Subramaniam Mutual Funds joining us on the show right now. MSMEs, not surprisingly, Mr. Subramaniam, were the first focus of the government. They've been a little bit, under the gun for quite some time, and even in the last union budgets, they've been an attempt to revive liquidity into the system. Today's focus has also been that because they are the backbone of the industry. If the MSMEs do well, the other industries also do well. How do you look at the focus today and the measures announced today for MSMEs?
It's probably the strongest statement by the government so far, because while they had already announced the 1.7 crore package for the ultimate consumer, and they had announced a lot of liquidity through RBI, banks were simply not taking that money and lending it on. They were just putting it back with the Reserve Bank of India. So I think what they need to do is they have to untie the Gordian knot. So this 4-year loan, clean, unsecured for MSMEs up to 100 crore turnover, 25 crores. I think that's a huge step because it's the unlocking of what's locked up. So if you imagine an MSME is already probably pledged his father's house, his personal guarantee, everything to take whatever he took. Now he's able to take an additional money to see through this crisis and repay and buy raw material. So I think it's a huge multiplier effect on the economy, and it has to be read in conjunction with the fact that NBFCs, who primarily finance MSMEs, have been given a close to 75,000 crore package, right? Through one is a 100% guaranteed by the government of 30,000 crores, and another one with its 20%. So I think overall, the reason the government has done this is also because MSMEs are the highest employers in the country. So I think you've got to look at it as a step which helps solve multiple problems.
Yes. Now, post the announcement by the Prime Minister last evening, there was good sentiment in the market. You expect that the markets are going to respond even better tomorrow?
I'm sorry, I lost your audio. Hello.
Yes, Sunil, I was saying that post the Prime Minister's announcement, there was good sentiment in the market. Do you expect that with the MSME announcement already made, the markets are going to respond very well tomorrow?
Absolutely, because what the Prime Minister announced was a general feel-good factor. But as what the Finance Minister said today and over the next few days, specific sector-specific announcements will lead to a rally in those stocks which had got beaten down. So I think you will see now this rally becoming much more broad-based. So I think this gives a whole new confidence to the stock market from an economic recovery perspective. And I think if you look at the fact that the stock market is always a lead indicator of the economy, I think this is very good news.
Okay, I want you to specifically talk about unleashing Indian companies' potential. Now, that was the big thrust of the Prime Minister's focus, isn't it? It's not just about reviving the economy, but it's also changing the Indian economy. In fact, he talked about large-scale structural reforms. The one that has come in today is the redefinition of the classification of the MSMEs. And in that manner, they're going to be able to encourage, they are going to be encouraged to expand well beyond what was originally possible without letting go of the benefits they get as MSMEs.
Correct. So I think what this will mean is essentially for Make in India. Mr. Prime Minister talked about the supply chain aspect, right? So when you look at it from a Make in India perspective, right, the supply chain is critically to be filled by MSMEs. And by expanding the limit, means that they can bid for larger size orders. Now we have huge companies which are earlier manufacturing in China shifting to India. They need significant quality and quantity suppliers. And that's why the MSMEs will take this to step into the supply chain and produce a lot of ancillary items for these bigger FDI based MNCs which are probably going to come in as a shift away from China.
All right. Thanks a lot for speaking to us, Sunil Subramaniam. We certainly hope that this is just the start, the first booster shot offered by the government, which is catering to the large MSME sector. We have to wait and see what more is in store.